Today, I'm sharing one of my all-time favorite secret recipes, a magic liquid fertilizer that's packed with all sorts of nutrients. It's super easy to make, and the best part? You probably already have everything you need right in your garden. Trust me, your plants are going to love this. So, stick around and I'll show you how to whip up this powerful brew that will have your plants thriving like never before. Before we start making this magic liquid fertilizer, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I've got plenty more easy gardening tips to share, and you won't want to miss them. Now let's get started. The first step is to gather a variety of weeds from your garden, or wherever you can find them. The more types of weeds you collect, the better. Different weeds contain different nutrients that can benefit your plants. Some are rich in nitrogen, others in potassium, and some have trace minerals. By using a variety, you're ensuring a broad spectrum of nutrients that your plants will thrive on. Once you've collected your weeds, chop them into small pieces to help them break down more quickly in the water. Then, grab a net-like cloth. An old pillowcase or a mesh bag works perfectly. You'll use this cloth to create a pouch to hold your chopped weeds. Before you tie it up, add a small amount of wood ash to the mix. Wood ash is a fantastic addition because it's rich in potassium, which is crucial for overall plant health. Potassium helps regulate water balance in plants, strengthens their resistance to diseases, and is vital for flower and fruit development. It also contains small amounts of calcium, which is beneficial for strengthening cell walls, leading to sturdier plants. Next, you'll need a 5-gallon bucket. Fill it with rainwater or non-chlorinated water. It's important to use water that's free from chlorine because chlorine can kill the beneficial microorganisms that help break down the weeds into nutrients. Once your bucket is filled, place the pouch of weeds and wood ash into the water, making sure it's fully submerged. Close the lid of the bucket. If you don't have a pouch, you can simply toss the weeds directly into the water. But using a pouch makes it easier because you won't have to strain the liquid later. Now let the mixture sit for about 2 weeks. During this time, the weeds will start to break down, releasing their nutrients into the water. The wood ash will also begin to dissolve, enriching the tea even further. You might notice a strong smell as the weeds decompose. That's completely normal and just means the process is working. After 2 weeks, remove the pouch from the bucket. If you didn't use a pouch, you'll need to strain the liquid to remove the solid material. The liquid left behind is your weed tea, now full of nutrients and ready to feed your plants. Before using it, dilute the tea with water at a ratio of 1 part weed tea to 10 parts water. This dilution is important because the tea is quite strong and can overwhelm your plants if applied directly. Once diluted, use it to water your plants, giving them a nutrient-rich boost that promotes healthy growth. Using a variety of weeds in your tea is beneficial because each type of weed has its own unique set of nutrients. By combining different weeds, you're creating a well-rounded fertilizer that can address multiple nutrient needs in your garden. The wood ash adds an extra layer of benefits, particularly in boosting potassium levels, which supports healthy flowering and fruiting in your plants. This weed tea is an excellent way to recycle what might otherwise be considered garden waste into something incredibly beneficial for your plants. Plus, by using rainwater or non-chlorinated water, you're ensuring that all the beneficial microbes stay alive, helping your garden grow even more vigorously. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more gardening advice, please like, subscribe, and check out our other videos.